how to add multiple pictures to Instagram stories. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Instagram app and log into your Instagram account. Once logged in, tap on the Your Story option available in the top left corner or simply slide to right side in order to go to the Your Story option again. Now once you're inside the story option, you can tap on the photos icon available in the bottom and browse for the photos you want to post. Once you choose the photo, you can simply adjust it using your two fingers. Again, go to the sticker icon in the top, tap on the photos and tap on the another photo you want to post it on your story. Now once you choose the photo, again using your two fingers, adjust them simultaneously. Now again for the another photo, repeat the same process. Tap on the sticker icon on the top and inside the sticker icon tap on the photos and again browse to the photos and tap on the new photo you want to post. Now all you have to do is adjust it accordingly. As you can see, you can add as much photo as you want, but here we are making it eye appealing, so that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.